Bro, don't you get tired? Don't you get exhausted of chasing women all the time, right? Like a little puppy hoping they give you a little bit of attention. I want to flip the script for you. See, I want it to be the other way around. I want them to chase you. You do these things, I promise you, almost any girl is going to want to chase you. Let's hop into this. Number one, you stop chasing her. Women feed off of attention. And they don't just want anybody's attention. They want attention from a certain guy. A guy that they're actually fighting for their attention back. I know this sounds counterintuitive, but the problem with most guys is that they give women free attention. When you give a girl free attention, your attention has no value, right? If you're already giving it to me for free, I'm not gonna care about it because I already have it in the back burner. You need to be the type of guy that doesn't chase women. You're the guy that's actually chasing his own purpose, his own values, his own goals. That's the type of guy that women are chasing for his attention because his attention isn't given out for free. That's the type of guy you gotta be. Which takes us on to number two. You gotta make that first impression count. Don't fumble, don't stumble, don't stutter. See, those first 30 seconds when you interact with somebody, this is crucial, right? You go in, you introduce yourself, hi, my name is, keep it simple, and leave a confident, everlasting impression she won't be able to get out of her mind. That's what's gonna drive her into chasing you because she's like, yo, how is that guy so cool, calm, and collected? Yo, and then, how is that guy so good looking? You throw on some JBs in the mix, now you're a stud, bro. Now you're unstoppable. See, you come and do that same introduction, you got that strong eye contact. You have something that's blocking your vision. You look more mysterious, you look more attractive. This is why I've said, bro, a pair of sunglasses, especially a pair of RJ Blacks, it's like a superpower. Like, look, this is timid Jose, this is confident Jose. Timid Jose, confident Jose. See, I'm saying, bro, it's a legit superpower when you throw on glasses. You feel like the man, and I'm sure you felt it before, but you haven't felt it to this level. See, when it comes to Jade Black, bro, our stuff is top tier. Our stuff, we use Italian handmade acetate, stainless steel stamped, stainless steel construction, polarized glass. We're talking top of the line. These are glasses that should cost $200, $300, $400. Actually legit, like, our Italian acetate, Mazzucchelli, that house, when you Google it, bro, some of the frames that also produce in our same house, they're designer frames that cost $300, $400. We're selling you frames for $50 because I'm selling it to you, my brothers, and I want you to have a powerful pair of glasses that's gonna make you feel good without having to break the bank. And the cool part is that we're always dropping new designs. So you can do the classic stuff, you can do some trendy stuff. So you can have stuff that you can rotate and it's still cheaper than one pair of designer glasses. Right now, for the first time ever, we offer free shipping and free returns. So if for whatever reason they don't fit your face right or you're not digging them, you can return them back risk-free. Bro, there is zero risk and everything to gain. If you guys want to check out our Jade Blacks, boys, it's going to be linked down below. Go ahead and check them out. Number three, I want you to become a challenge for her to solve. Why do you think women love toxic bad men? It's because they are uncontrollable. They are unpredictable. And in a woman's head, they think, man, I can solve that. I can help him. I can fix them. No, he can't. But women just love being in situations where they are challenged into solving something. So don't be the desperate, needy kid that just goes and gives her all the attention and solves the problem for her. No, bro. Instead, create situations in your life where she's the one coming to you. She's the one that has to chase you down. Number four, ask the right question. Don't be silly and ask her stupid-ass questions like, oh, what's your favorite color? Oh, what's your favorite meal? Pizza or hamburger? Are you a cat or a dog? Bro, who gives a damn if she likes pink cats? Use questions that are gonna lead her on into thinking the way you're thinking. And we know how you're already thinking, right? So get those questions more and more intense, more and more sexual as a conversation goes. And you could start with surface level stuff like, oh, who'd you come out with tonight? Or do you have a boyfriend? See, once you start asking those type of questions, her mind shifts. She knows where you're going. Which rolls us on to number five, never linger. See, let's say you're asking those questions. Things are getting hot and heavy. It's starting to build up. That sexual tension, you can cut it, bro. When it gets this good, I want you to walk away. Look, this takes a lot of self-control, by the way, because at that point you think, man, I got it in the bag, and you probably do. But if you walk away, the amount of self-control you will exhibit. And bro, I'm telling you, especially if you walk away at the highest point of that conversation, when things are really intense and you're like, oh, you know what? I gotta go. And by the way, you should have her contact and she should have your contact. I promise you, bro, she will not stop thinking about you for the next week, 2 weeks, month. You will become her Prince Charming in her head, and she is going to start chasing your ass down. I'm telling you for a fact. The problem is that too many guys instead linger. See, when they're in those situations, instead of walking away, they linger around. And because they're too indecisive on when and how to act, they linger around too long. So you take a conversation, bring it to its climax, to its peak, do nothing, and linger. And now that conversation starts to get boring. Now she's yawning. And when you walk away, now the last thing that she'll remember is that, man, that was a boring ass conversation. And finally, number 6, don't take the first yes. See, once you kick it out the ballpark, you did everything your boy Jose told you to do. Now she's obsessed with you. You had your first date, and she's like, oh, we should hang out again. Don't just hop on that and say yes. No. Remember everything we said. I want you to keep that same energy throughout the entire relationship. And now it's, let me check, right? Now it's, well, I'll get back to you. Let me see how the week's going to be structured out. See, I want you to be that important guy that your time is valuable. You're not just dishing out time for free out here. When you do that, that's when they chase. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to check out our Jade Blacks if you want to. They're going to be linked down below as well. That's it for your boy. See you next time.